Today we have a 2004 Toyota Land Cruiser with the V8 engine, also known as a 2UZ FE engine. This engine is also in the, I believe, a 2000 Lexus LX470, around that year of the LX470, as well as the first-gen Toyota Tundras. So the thermostat is what we're going to be replacing today, which is located right here. You can follow the lower radiator hose to find it. It's right below the intake here, as you can see. So we can remove the intake, however, I'm going to try to work around it. With a number 12 socket, we're going to remove a total of 3 nuts. As you can see, 2 above and 1 will be directly below here. Just kind of feel around, you'll find a 3rd one. So now that we know where the thermostat is and where the nuts are, we're going to go ahead and remove this and just pull it out. Hopefully I can do so without removing the intake or removing this lower radiator hose. So let's get to it. So after removing the 3 12mm nuts, you just pull back the little lower radiator hose with the housing in front and expose the thermostat there. So now we're gonna pull that thermostat out and get ready to replace it with the new one. I already went ahead and put the O-ring around it. It has a little groove, it sits in there, so we're good to go pretty much. Be sure that this is facing a 12 o'clock position. So I'm gonna swap this out really quick to kind of prevent more coolant from coming out. So pretty much after that, we'll get the nuts on and we'll be done. So let's go with this in. All right, also we got the new thermostat in there. Old one's removed. That little top piece there facing the 12 o'clock position. So now we're gonna go ahead and just place this back on. Just tighten up our 12mm nuts there. Add some coolant that's left that was lost during the installation, and we'll be done. So let's get to it. And so finish installing the thermostat. My 12mm nuts are back in place. I did forget to mention that I did kind of make a mark to where they were. But really, I mean, just need a snug fit. There's no really torque for this. Just a nice snug fit. Everything's good. So I'm going to clean off all this coolant that came out. As you can see, there's some on the drive belt here, a little bit up here. So I'm just going to clean that all up, top her off here, and then make sure to also top off the expansion tank. As you can see, there's a little line there as well. So after that, we're good to go. So we'll start the engine up, make sure everything's good, make sure it stays in the clear zone on the temperature, and that's it. So thanks for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe. More videos to come.